want to see me pee? Buddy.
Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna go?
What's he pointing at?
I don't know. Uh-oh. He got us.
Who?
No, he did it. I guess we'll go down, leave.
What? Don't lose your cup. That's fine. Thank you. You can fill it up so that you can drink from That's what he was saying.
Want a race?
I'll lose my job. So if we're going to speed limit, let's go.
All right, let's go.
What's the speed limit? 40. We did it.
We did it.
Where are you at? Thought you were going to do it.
They were cool.
Yeah.
And if I would have wrecked, it would have been
Did you
right
hear
there.
it? He's like, oh, okay, so. We gotta be like, the boat with the drink in the. You know what I'm talking about? It's at Silver Dollar City, but the boat that goes back and forth, they put a cup full of water in the middle, and when it goes up and down, it doesn't spill. You didn't know about that? What are you doing?
Spinning.
Well, I didn't record. You always freaking don't tell me nothing. You just do it, huh?
Yeah. I thought we were already.
Uh-oh. He wants to catch up to his buddy.
Run, 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 run. What the fuck? Am I ever gonna get around this thing?
Hey, no cussing. I have a kid's YouTube channel.
And now we got in trouble last time. Messed up our million billion views. And then somebody stole our shit.
So, Carney, Kansas. There he is. Oh, so we're gonna die. If not, we're gonna die by that car. We're going to. Oh, look at that motorcycle. You have 4 minutes to race me.
Is that our program? Yeah.
Is he hitchhiking? Is it a motorcycle or Mustang?
Oh, it's a little Mustang. Thunderbird. Shit. I'm in the slow lane.
Oh, the cops go home.
You got a cup. Ready?
Go. Yeah, it needs some new tires. The cup stay?
The cup stay?
I mean, what cup?